Alright guys, top of the morning, Cleet Titus with you, co-founder and chief CFI, United Youth Aviators. We expand kids' minds, want to take over at a time. I want to thank you guys for joining with us today on this flight. We got a new student we hype, we excited about introducing her. We're going to let her say her words.
What's up? My name is Iyana Wood. I'm from Virginia, moved to Brooklyn a couple of years ago. I go to Boys and Girls High School. I want to thank Boys and Girls High School for giving me the opportunity to join this program. You know
That's
what I'm
right, shout out Boys and Girls.
You know what I'm saying?
We want to thank Miss B, right?
Miss Borden. Shout out Miss Borden. Thank you for this opportunity. This is lit.
Yep, no doubt, right? We also want to thank the principal, right? Right, so thank you guys, and we'll see you guys out on the taxi out. Peace out.
Ground Skyhawk, November 2328 Romeo at Echo, requesting taxi for northeast departure with hotel.
So it's 238 Romeo, public ground. Good morning. Stand by.
I say standing by.
Standing by.
All right, good.
Piper 0 Foxtrot Whiskey.
But he's telling us to stand by because, yes, he got too much planes going in.
Okay.
That's my guess.
So all I gotta do.
238 Romeo, northeast on request 19 at Bravo 2, taxi Alpha, Alpha 6, cross 14, Charlie.
All right, read it back. 19 via
Alpha, Alpha 6, cross 14, Charlie.
28 Romeo.
28 Romeo.
This is 28 Romeo, that is correct.
All right, good. You heard me. That's correct.
Hey.
All right, she did a good job,
Hey.
All right, so hold your hand here. And power. Let go the brakes. All right, now squeeze the brakes. Squeeze the brakes. Stop the plane.
Both of them?
Yeah, both of them.
Okay.
I'll pull this back to 1,000. Now you're gonna say, my brakes are good.
Huh?
Say, my brakes are good.
Our brakes are good.
Now you're gonna say, you have the plane.
You have the plane.
I have the plane.
I have the plane.
Let everything go.
Okay.
All right. So now I check my brakes. So,
Alright,
so I go like this. Test my brakes. My brakes are good. You have the plane.
Okay.
I have the plane.
I have the plane.
You have the plane. All right. So now, all right. So look, we're coming out. Right. Watch our wings. So look, pull this back to 1,000. Now we have momentum. Right. You feel the rudders. That yellow line. You want to keep that yellow line in between your feet.
Okay.
So push the right rudder in. All right. That's good. All right. And you usually act like this is your hands.
Okay.
And you're keeping the rudders in between your feet. We don't turn with this.
Okay. You talking with these or this?
Your feet.
Okay.
Everything is with your feet on the ground, okay?
Okay.
Up. All right, good. Now just slowly start pushing the right rudder in. Right rudder in. Don't press the brake. Yep, don't brake. All right, give it more gas.
Public
Good,
ground.
good.
Mike Alpha, off of 19.
Okay.
Bravo 3, taxi.
So you remember, yep, left rudder.
Mike Alpha, public ground. Good
Left rudder.
afternoon. Good morning, actually. Taxi to Atlantic via Bravo, cross 2114.
You drive or my drive?
Bravo cross.
Taxi.
Okay.
Right rudder. All right, so clear right, no plane. Clear left. Which way we going?
Cessna 318 Charlie Sierra, public ground. Good
Take in left, right?
All right, so wait.
Taxi.
Now push the left rudder in. Press the top left brake. Just a little bit, not too hard. Don't give up all your momentum.
Tower, know when you're ready for takeoff.
As you can see, when you turn it and cut harder, more brake, cut it hard. You know
Okay.
what? Right? You kind of want it to stay in the line.
Okay.
So you apply just enough brake that you need.
Okay.
So now you see Alpha 6. Confirm that, right?
Yep. So we're gonna turn right onto Alpha 6.
There you go. Right. So now we kind of fast. Slow both feet down. It's so different when it's real,
Yeah,
right?
it is.
Yep. Clear left, clear right. Strobes on. Crossing the runway. Right. Good. Hey guys, she's doing great taxiing out. We're gonna go over here to the Bravo run up, do a run up real quick, and after we finish the run up, we'll catch you back at the whole show. All right, peace. Alright guys, this is the time. Welcome back. We're about to take off.
Piper 23 X-ray northeastbound, clear for takeoff, traffic mile final.
Right?
Clear for takeoff,
Go ahead,
northeast,
All right.
Cherokee 23.
So pull it back. So we would come up to the
Clear touch and go.
remember we come to the whole line of
And
what?
then wait. Pull short. 28 Romeo, holding short 19 Bravo 2.
233 Romeo, Tower, thank you. Hold short, only 100.
You're holding short.
Holding short.
Romeo.
28 Romeo. You say 28 Romeo at the airport.
So they know who all these planes, who's talking to me.
28 Romeo, clear for takeoff, northeastbound.
Clear for takeoff, 28 Romeo.
Clear for takeoff, 28 Romeo.
Right, lights, or say lights, all of them on. Turn them on. Say it now, lights.
Lights.
All of them. Say camera.
Camera.
Action.
Action.
All right. So follow my instructions. Feet on the ground.
Runway 19er.
Both your feet on the ground. No feet today. Right? Yeah. You put your hand.
Yeah.
All right. So when I say full power, you're gonna give me full power.
Push in.
And push this in and
Okay.
hold it.
Okay.
All right. Don't pull that out. Then when we get to 55 degrees, you're gonna pull the front yoke towards us to 10 degrees. Full power. Look outside.
PD4 in flight, approved,
All right.
requested, wind 2006,
Keep looking.
13, altimeter 2.
All right. Airspeed alive. Say it to me. Airspeed alive.
Airspeed alive.
Good.
All
All right.
Turn base.
Hey, wait for 55. Wait.
Charlie, extend
Look
down.
outside. All right. Wait. All right. Hold this. Pull back. Pull the flight yoke toward you. Pull back. Pull the flight yoke.
12
Pull it
o'clock,
back. Yep.
2 of them.
All right. Yep. 10 degrees right there.
12 o'clock, 2
Yep.
miles, 1,000
All right. Good. Keep it straight. All right.
Hey.
All right. Good.
Good job.
Approaching.
There you go. This is smooth. All right. Nose down a little bit. Push the yoke in. Yep. Keep that all the way in. Hold your finger like that. All right, there you go. Hey, look, we are 380 feet.
Hold short runway 19er.
Holding short, 19 Mike.
Who's at Bravo 2?
Archer 31754.
Turn altimeter
Can you see those red and white stacks out there? Alright, don't worry about it. I'm sure you. Alright, guys, so we took off. It was a little busy today, right? Out in front. Right, what you think? So, is there anybody you want to give a shout out to?
Oh, look. Shout out to my mom. Shout out to Gabby and Avessi, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Titus, you know what I'm saying? Give me this opportunity. And shout out to Miss Borden, yeah.
Thank you guys, we love you guys. So we'll catch you guys back when we at the stacks. So all right guys, so now we're gonna do some maneuvers. We're gonna teach Iyana basic stuff, the descending, climbing, what we need to do. So one of the things we can do, right, when we're going down is, what's first thing we can do? Push the flight yoke away from you. Go ahead. One hand, get out of two hands stuff, right?
You need to respond nodally and the touching.
All right, so you can push that down, right? But watch this. We're gonna be picking up speed too fast. Remember we get knee and all that. So bring the nose up, right? Go back to level, right? Boom. Look outside. Bring it back to level. Look at the earth, right? You want everything horizon line. This is level, right? Now, you see how we level? Now, what's another way we can go down? Bring the back. Power back like 16, 17. Now, if we bring the power out, look. You feel that?
Yeah.
And that'll be a more controlled descent. Now you can put back a little bit to how fast you want to go down. Let's make a left turn, climbing left turn. Right, so let's go left 5 degrees right there. Stop. Bear it up to 10 degrees. Hold it right there. Now you want to stop here. Well, easy. Trim it. Trim down. So you can take weight off your hand. Trim down. Go ahead. Keep going so it'll hold this nose up attitude. Right, now you should be able to start like being relaxed. See that? Now you're just in a 5 degree turn, climbing at 5 feet, right? And we're turning to the left.
Okay.
So we're going like this. Now, here's another thing we're going to work on. We're going to turn. So we're going to work on banking. So in a car, you kind of like keep turning, right? We don't do that in a plane.
Okay.
We put it in the attitude of bank angle that we want, and the plane does the rest of the work.
Okay.
So this is 5, 15, 30, 50, 60. Right? So for the most part, 45, 60, whatever, I like to say 50. So if I want to turn to the left, right, let's say 15 degrees, 5, 15, and I just stop. And look what the plane is doing, look outside.
Okay.
Right? It's doing what it's doing on its own, right? I didn't keep turning, see, I just stopped. All right? So your turn.
So
You're going to go to 15. Use the aileron. All right, don't go down. Pull back a little bit. All right, and stop. Right there in that spot. Right. Up and hold it. You see how it's just turning on its own?
Yeah.
You don't have to keep. Pull back a little bit. Just a little, because we're increasing the load factor on the wings. Remember, load is going to make the plane sink. I'll show you in a minute.
Okay.
So look, don't go up. That's enough. So you see how 15? You see how? Look outside. You see how we just turning?
Yeah.
You notice that we keep turning the wheel? We bank it to a position that we want, a degree, and stop. And that's it. And hold it in that degree. Okay, let's go level. Let's go level off. All right, good job. See that? All right, good.
Hey, but it's different. I thought it was gonna be easier than I don't know why. Like, you just drive a car for real.
No. All right, guys, we gonna roll over the tweet real quick. We catch you guys on landing. All right. Welcome back, guys. We are 9 miles out from the field, inbound for runway 20. We got a landing clearance. Can you see the runway over there?
Yeah.
Oh, all right, look over there a little bit. If you look where we are, right?
Okay.
Where's your ship? The line in your bond out there. All right. Now, can you see it now? Got it? Look where we are. Draw a line out this way.
Okay.
Okay. Draw it out like that and tell me what you think. See it? Oh, the runway over there? Not yet. Got it?
So we line up with it?
I don't know. I want you to see it.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
All right, landing lights, taxi lights on. We're entering a left downwind. Remember the downwind? Okay, so left downwind, base, final. Remember that? I showed you guys?
Okay.
So over here, the traffic pattern altitude. Traffic pattern altitude is 1,000 feet over here. So keep your hand on it. Slow down. Slow down. Yep. Pull it back. Oh, good. Well, everyone's taking off this way.
Okay.
They're taking off this way. So we're entering a left downwind.
Then turn into it. Okay, yeah.
Okay. When I tell you to pull us all the way out, I want you to pull it all the way back towards us as far as you can, but not yank it slowly, okay? All right, slow down a little bit, slow down. Not all the way yet, not all the way. All right, now, wait, stop all the way back towards us slowly. Yep, look outside, all right? That's how we go, just let the back settle in, and put this wheel down first over here. Boom. Okay, that's great. So I'm pulling this back towards me. Look, see that? And I'm pressing the brakes. Hey guys, so we appreciate you guys flying with us. Iyana, a phenomenal job. It's our first time ever, which I didn't know until today. So clap for that. We let her say a few peace out words.
Hey man, yo, this was a really fun experience. 10 out of 10 would do again. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody that, let me have this opportunity, man. God is amazing. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, they are. Yes, he is. And thank you, guys. So before we leave, please, on this side, you'll see a box. Watch our next video. And on this side, you'll see a circle of our emblem where you can subscribe. We'll really appreciate that. And for the next video, peace.